Hi everyone and welcome to my new channel. Today I'm going to start a new tutorial guiding you through Photoshop, starting from the very basics and essentials, to eventually getting into the more advanced stuff in graphic design. My goal here is to keep simplicity in this tutorial and to make it possible for literally anyone to learn how to use Photoshop. Even if you just started and are already confused or just looking at the interface, don't worry. I can understand it may be frightening at the first time you open Photoshop. With all these options, in fact, it can be intimidating at first starting with any new program. But my goal here is to show you how simple but powerful Photoshop really is. Remember, the sky is truly the limit with what you can do with Photoshop. The drawing canvas is the area in which you will create and/or modify images. By default, Photoshop gives you a drawing canvas to work with, but you can easily open another one by using the New menu choice from the File menu item. You can open as many canvases as you want at any one time. Each canvas is accessible through the Window menu item or by clicking on it with your mouse. Alright, so let's get started with learning the interface. To make sure that we are all in the same page with the interface itself, with all its features, all the window, let's go to the window workplace and then make sure you checked on Essential Default, which is basically going to ensure that we have all the same features and everything. Alright, so now let's proceed to make our first file. Our first project, you can call it a test. So let's now go to File, New. The window we are going to do all the settings for our project. So first of all, we can name the project whatever we want. I'm going to name it Test. For the tutorial, and then for the width and the height. You can later on you can do it whatever you want, mattering on what sort of project you want. Let's say you want to do dimension now. We are going to do the standard 500 pixel on 500 pixels. Make sure you selected the pixel. This is important. So for the width and the height, you want to be both on the same units. But we are going to work with pixels because it's the easiest way. We are going to work with pixels for both width and height. Then press OK. Okay, after we defined our canvas, we want to see what we can make with our new project. Okay, if you look in the right side, you see the tab that called Layers. Okay, this is how Photoshop built. It's built with layers. So if we want to work with this layer, we cannot now. Why? Because this is locked. If we want to unlock it, we double click on it and press OK. Okay, if we want to make another layer, we can click on it and you see another layer. We have layer 0 and layer 1. I want to make a new shape. Okay, to do that, I press here in the rectangular tool, okay, and choose it like that. Okay, now I want to color this shape. In the left side, I click here in this color. I choose maybe this color and press OK. And I choose this brush tool. Maybe I will increase the size, okay, and start to color it. Looks nice, no? Okay, if we want to unselect it, we choose in the menu in the top, select and deselect. Now I will show you what we can do more things with this shape. we can make some effects. Okay, if we choose layer in the top and choose layer style and choose drop shadow, okay, you can see what you can see what we can have here. Okay, we can change the opacity, we can choose the distance and other parameters so it will look nice. Okay, we can make another effect like what we can do, layer style and bevel and emboss. Okay, now it's look better. Okay, we can choose to make it gradient. Okay, if I choose another color, maybe red, okay, and make it like this, you see? Okay, I can change the color of the shape. Okay, let's open a new project, call it test, lock it again, and let's see what we can do more. We can make a different shape like elliptical shape like that, and I choose blue, for example. I can choose the brush tool. Okay, deselect, and I can choose to write something. Okay, I can choose the text tool and maybe to type hello. I want to see it in white because it's the same color like the shape. Okay, choose hello. Okay, I want to increase it. Before that I will move it with the move tool. Okay, move it to the middle of the elliptical shape. And if I want to increase the text size, I choose with the text tool, and here in the top you see the menu. Every time I choose a different tool in the left side, when I choose it, I see a menu in the top. Okay, I can choose it that it will be bold, and I can increase the font size. Okay, you see? Okay, what can I show you more? Let's see. Okay, I will make another project, call it test 1. And I choose this tool and lock it, make another layer, make this shape. I will choose maybe green, and I want to paint it. I want to show you, before I will make this this thing that I wanted to show you right now, I want to show you more tools. Okay, you see the eyedropper tool is if I press this project, this color, you see what happened? It's changed to this color, so I can paint like this color instead of choosing here the color. So this is what the eyedropper tool can do. It select the color in a different project, and you can use this color for another project. Okay, what I wanted to show you is how I can move one shape from one project to another project. Okay, how can I do that? You see, there is another tool I wanted to show you. Where is this tool? Okay, no, not this tool. I want to show you the magic tool. Okay, here it is, the magic wand tool. What this tool does, it's choosing a specific area. Okay, when I click on it, it's choosing this shape, and now I can move this shape to another project. Okay, when I choose the move tool, you see what happened? I see a scissors. Okay, and when I will move the scissors to here, you see, it's moved to this project. I can do one more thing, like change the opacity. Okay, now opacity. Okay, now it's look something cool. Okay, and I can add more text with black color to say good afternoon. For example. Okay, let's see what we can make with images. You see, I have this image here, and I can do I can copy what I made in this project. I can show you what I can do in this image. Okay, let's unlock this image. Let's choose another layer. Choose this tool, this rectangular tool, and I choose it like that. Choose the move tool. Okay, and I want to paint it. I will choose this color. I will choose the brush tool. Okay, deselect this layer, and I want to type some text. Nice bird. I want to change the color of the text to white. Nice bird. We'll change the size of the font. Okay, and I can change the opacity of the shape. You see, it's look more cool. You can see it makes it transparent, the shape, and we can see the image. So you can make many nice things with these tools that I show you. One more last thing that I will show you in this video, how to crop image. Okay, you have this tool. I can see the head of the bird like this. Can change the dimensions and press enter in my keyboard, and now I can choose the move tool and transfer it to here. Okay, you see? It's look nice. And also I can make it free transform. I can choose in edit, free transform, and I can change the size of the picture and press enter. You see? Okay. I hope that I showed you some very fundamental things that you can use yourself as a starting point of using it, Photoshop. I will continue to teach you more cool things in the next videos, and I really enjoyed to teach you and to show you some nice things, and we will see you again in the next videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.